Okay, to start off, I will say this video is much lower quality than normal because I shit you not, I am doing this in one day. Well, I guess technically night because it's like 10 p.m. right now. So anyways, question. How does a nuclear bomb work? I'll be using the little boy nuclear bomb as my example. You first start off with a gun barrel. No, I'm not making this up, I'm dead serious. The little boy nuke used a modified US Navy 6-inch 142mm caliber gun barrel. Anyways, so you have the barrel at one end was a hollow piece of uranium-235 called the target. At the other end of the barrel, you had another piece of uranium-235 but solid called the projectile. To make the nuke go off, the normal gunpowder is fired behind the projectile, making a literal uranium bullet that fires into the uranium target. This uses enough force to split an atom and start a nuclear chain reaction. Now, before the scientists in the Manhattan Project used the nuke, they had to test it, but essentially Oppenheimer and his gang, trademark, were worried about, will my nuke kill literally everyone via a nuclear chain reaction? So they calculated with this equation to check that. What does this mean?
Let me break it down for you, Mark.
If the heat from the nuke going off fused the nitrogen atoms in the air into magnesium, that would convert the atmosphere into plasma, which would be the end of the world. So here in this graph, you can see that if the heat, the green line, reaches the temperature needed to fuse the nitrogen atoms in the air, the red line, then everyone dies. Luckily for everyone, these lines never crossed, because these calculations showed that the cooling rate was at least 1.6 times greater than the heating rate at every single achievable temperature. So in conclusion, while I do hate math, as in to the point of having a special place in my heart dedicated solely to hating on math, there is some good things with math, such as literally calculating whether or not we would kill ourselves and the entire world just because, war. Or something, I don't know.